Nanalo si Boss King Queen.
Lakas doon, Pards.
100.
Lakas mo doon, Pards.
Oh, next game, next game.
Next game namin.
Baka na, Gina G si Boss Trek.
Kita natin dito mga kaibigan, Kong TV, leading the game time.
Pards. Habol, Pards. Pards.
Pass mga kaibigan, kitang-kita natin. Ang buhok.
Putang ina, Pards. Nabuli mo. Pards, tambak, Pards. Puta, mahabol. Mahabol. Ang kinatablang. Putang ina, Pards. Sinabol mo lang yun. Tambak ka 10.
Grabe naman yun. Sige, try ko yung light up lang nung una eh.
Mayroon di magkagat.
Hindi na po sa rebound lang. Yung laban. Yun o. Huwag bumalik sa mukha mo.
Payat si Roba, 499. Boss Strike sa subok mga kaibigan.
Uy!
Putang ina Boss Strike. Boss Strike bumaba naging 300. Bang!
Top score din.
Wala, sira na yata to. Kahit anong palo yata dyan, 499 na eh.
Hinahangol.
Setra yung kanya.
Bakit sira?
Sirabat.
Medyo mahina pa man din sa English ang ropa.
And of course, the Apex Legends games will continue over on Twitch.tv. Why do you know where to find them? We once again interrupted our coverage because I have two very special guests who are joining me.
Hi guys! It's your boy, Judy Boy, back again for another interview. I'm from Philippines and I do vlogs. Let's go!
Hi guys, this is Boss King. What's up sa inyo mga kaibigan? Hindi pala ako yun. So, I'm from Philippines. Mabuhay.
Oh, you guys are welcome. Can I tell you? We just met 5 minutes ago, and before we went live, I swear I asked my producer what my time is because you're gonna keep me very entertained.
We do lifestyle vlog. We do games.
Yes. So listen, let me get this right. Rudy's obviously gonna be doing the lifestyle of the sneakers.
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
Your shoes,
That's
your
later.
shoes
Yes.
are awesome.
Yes, it's awesome.
Yes, but Boss King shoes not so awesome.
Not so awesome.
No, this is for walking.
Come on, these are good for walking. They're much nicer.
How much is that?
We'll say off air. I don't want my bosses to know.
Hey, nice shoes.
Thank you.
Nice shoes.
Not really.
Okay.
Not really. Because I know it's huge.
Yes.
And Mobile Legend is all over the world.
Yes, and
I know it. I can feel it. That's why the AWC has a Mobile Legend.
Yes.
Right? Because it's famous.
Yes.
They won the tournament because we didn't play.
Yeah.
I get it now.
You get it?
Salamat. Thank you so
You
much.
guys are awesome. Thank you so much. We're gonna head to the Kitty Arena where Team Liquid is still taking on Dark Zero in the quarterfinals.
Nakambobo talaga.
What's up, guys? Welcome sa day kung anumang day na to. Ano naman day natin dito?
4.
Day 4 sa Esports World Cup dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Alam ko napanood niyo yung interview nila Boss King at ni Juni Boy kahapon. Parts, ba't mo inalis?
Ay, ano ba?
Huwag mo yung alisin.
Sorry.
So napanood niyo yung interview ni Juni Boy at ni Boss King kahapon. Ngayon naman turn naman namin ni Kong para ma-interview.
Well, thank you for having us, mate. My name is Kong from the Philippines and I'm a YouTuber.
My name is Barong. I'm also from the Philippines. And I'm also a YouTuber.
Yeah,
Okay, gentlemen, what type of content do you guys create?
we just do anything under the sun.
Anything that we think that
Okay.
is funny to us.
Give me some specifics. In the last 6 months, what have been your biggest bangers on YouTube?
Oh, I think one of the basketball contents that we created.
Yeah.
Because this guy is a jack of all trades.
Okay.
He's the biggest
He
YouTuber
looks
star.
like he could ball.
Wow,
He looks like he
magaling.
could ball.
He is. He's the biggest YouTuber star in the Philippines. He coaches basketball, and I'm not talking about amateur basketball. It's, tapping on the pro level basketball.
Yes.
Dunk it, Jonathan. Dunk it.
He's like almost. I recently recruited the Dwight Howard.
Mga sinungaling. Mga sinungaling.
Okay, I'm South African.
Di ba?
No, I was kidding. No, I'm not kidding. I just interviewed Ryan Reynolds.
Blown away. That is awesome. Now this is what I'm trying to say. Thank you boys for joining me.
Hello po sa inyo mga pa. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Chicken out. Power sa inyo. Mayabang. Ay, akala ko vlog ko.
Man sa'yo, Pards.
Pards, ikaw magaling. Ito, ano nangyari?
Pards? Hindi, team tayo,
Okay sana.
Pards.
Nag-stack up lang si
Hindi,
Idol.
comedic ano namin yun. Comedic
Ah,
post
okay,
namin.
okay. At
Oo.
least alam na. At least alam nila. di ba?
Calculated yan,
Oo.
Pards.
Kasi ang dami nagtatanong, L stack up, L stack up.
Sabi nila, El stack up daw. Hindi, Pards. Ano yan? Calculate. Praktisado namin.
Very good naman, very good naman.
Part ng ano namin yun na ang bit ng sketch namin yun.
Oo.
Talagang pagtungo,
Pagsangayon mo talagang
Ang galing,
Kailangan kasi yun parang talagang naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi nila.
At saka,
mo
at saka par, napansin ko, ba, nagsasalita ka, nung una parang di naniniwala si Quickshot eh.
Oo.
Kasi nasabi mo, nung nakita niyo gumagano'n si Kuya,
You know, tap.
Ang guwaba.
Kasi dyan, Pards, the power of suggestion.
Oo.
So, kumanong na
the
lang
butterfly effect,
The butterfly
go
effect.
na magkano
Manipulation
siya.
technique.
Yan. Sabi ko sa'yo, Pards. eh.
Dark side of psychology yan.
Yan,
Sabi
yan,
ko sa'yo,
Pards.
di ba, pag-usapan namin yan eh. Para magbukang may sense yung sinasabi mo. mamaya.
Tutunguan mo lang.
Gaganon na mo lang.
Tapos laki yan. Yung iba kasi ganun lang eh.
Yun ang problema, Sing.
Lakihan mo.
Yun ang problema. Pag ikaw nagsasalita, hindi siya umaano. Alam mo bakit? Si Burong walang gano'n. Doon siya nadali.
Pangina, Pards, munting
Wala, Pards. Promise.
Wala lang kasi sinasabi niya.
Hindi ako magka-stiff neck
Pards,
ng agad.
hindi, kasi ang ginawa ko, sinasabi ko, absolutely. Di nyo nakita pa paano ko binild up? This man is a jack of all trades.
Yung build up.
Yun, maganda. Pero yung sa
YouTuber and a professional basketball coach.
Yes, I'm the best coach of Dwight Howard.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Very
Ay,
good.
pamaniwala eh.
Ayaw niya. Kasi nga kulang sa ganun, no?
Ay,
Kulang
Pards,
sa ganun.
Sabi ko nga, no, he's the real deal from the Philippines.
Oh, pero narinig ko naman yan.
Naniniwala eh.
Saan na pinakita mo yung video?
Kaya si Ryan Reynolds, si-open up ko pa eh.
Oo nga, sabi niya, interview Ryan
Parang
Reynolds
sabi niya, pag pag na ano pa si Ryan Reynolds, parang
Di.
kabugang puta.
Alam mo ba?
Bulates.
Alam mo?
Tingin nyo, naisalba namin yung ano.
Nasaan ba, boss?
Ganda.
Parts, thank you.
One, two,
Magsalba.
three,
talaga tayo.
Team
Ha?
talaga tayo.
1, 2, 3, redeem to ha.
1, 2, 3, ready!
Brother, that's scam, brother.
Okay.
Maliit yung ring eh.
100, give it 12.
100? Okay, no problem.
How many balls? 12. 12 balls?
Yes.
Parang billiards, 12 balls lang. Paano kayo mananalo dito?
They sit talaga eh.
Brother, how do we win here?
One score, one fight.
Okay, alright. Four. Tapos.
Add it up.
Score ka naman daw.
Bang, bang.
Kahit board drink parts, mahirap parts.
15!
No brother, it's so hard.
Wala kasing ano, spring bro, no?
Matigas parts, matigas. Tsaka maliit yung ring niya parts. Yan yung mga
Pero
greatest
sakto lang.
scam ng ano parts.
Siyempre, parts.
Ng
Paano sila nakikita dyan, parts?
perya. Ayoko na kasi nang nai-scam ako parts eh.
Ba't kasi laro ka?
Eh kasi gusto ko mag-shooting. Ay, ito parts, hindi to scam. Parts, try kaya natin dyan. Parang malaki ring dyan, oh. Oh, oh, this hard. How can you show us?
You should throw this ball behind the first line. Like bowling.
Oh, one more.
Oh, one more?
Yeah.
I have one more ball.
Bak, may nalang. Bagsak lang. Yung,
Ano mas mataas? Mas ano?
Another
May
friend.
bounce.
another? No free ball? One free ball.
Without price, without price, without price, without price.
Yes, without price, without price.
Okay, na-try without try. Baka kasi tamaan ko eh.
One more.
Okay.
Try.
No price?
That's a good idea.
Sa medium
One
parts.
more,
Are
one
you
more.
good in physics?
Yeah, I'm a science guy.
Hindi niya namalayan, siya na yung na-scout natin, Marts.
Gusto lang naman natin mag-content saka maglaro eh.
Nakadami yung tira tayong bola. No price naman yan.
No price, no price.
Okay.
Okay.
Like this. Like this. Watch this.
Brother! What did you do? Hey, brother, you're now getting the ball on yourself, huh?
Last try, last try. Like this, so I have to go to the side. I'm so sorry, that's why last game.
Brother!
I won't play anymore, I won't play anymore.
Ganti mo yun.
Ganti ko yun, Mad, kinuha nyo 30 sar. Tangin na pwede ba yun? Trabaho dyan muna, kunin mo yun.
Mali yung ginawa.
Eh, gusto ko eh.
Yung ring dito, Bart.
Mas malaki.
Mas maliit. Walang nananalit yung parts. Nakita ko na yun sa internet. Ay! Kaya mo yan, Boss King, oh!
Ilan? 2 minutes?
Ang laki na mapapanalunan, pare, oh.
Mahirap yan.
Ay, Pards, sobrang lapit yata niya.
Nagpapasikat siya sa nililigawan niya.
Kasi dito si Pat, baka nagpasikat
Ay,
din
no,
ako.
gumanon
Sabit ka din
Pards.
dyan. Wala kasi si Bibis eh.
Gumanon. Gumanon sa doon.
Mamaya, nanonood pa kami.
Ayun na.
1 minute.
Last minute.
Ah, wala na. Hindi kaya yan.
Hindi siya sasagutin ba, di ba? Pag
Hindi.
Oo. Ayan.
50 seconds. Mahirap yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Mahirap yan.
Mahirap yan, boss, mahirap yan.
Sa kanya, kaya mo yan, Naila.
Kung 30 seconds yun ng ganyan, papalag pa.
Oh!
Mahirap talaga yan.
Good job, though. Bart, saan yung laro mo, Bart?
Ito, Pards.
1 minute.
Alam nyo to, di ba?
Puta, napanood ko yan!
Napanood nyo na yung
Sa bahay?
Tayo niya, Pards, perfect yan.
Pakikita ko lang kayo ha. Pakikita ko lang yung viewers mo para.
Parts, pinitas niya, Parts. Pinitas niya.
Higilan nyo na lang, Pards.
Okay, focus. Parts, focus. Okay, nice. Kaya mo yan, Parts. Focus, ha. 2, 1, go.
Sabay.
Ang bilis ba? Ang bilis ba?
Hindi, tsaka sabay, Pards, sabay.
Oo.
Manalo pa rin ako ba?
Now we have to go to square one and square two. There's 2 games from Mentos. You will play. If you win, you get 2 bands, 2 more bands.
Hindi, dadalhin ako sa next round. Extra challenge pala to, Par.
Pagka na, ano daw? Quest, parang
Quest! Hindi, Pat, ganito gagawin natin. Iwan na natin.
Iwan na natin yan. Dumami na kasi. Dumami na kasi, Parts.
Madami na kompetensya. Pag madami ka kompetensya.
Mahirap na. Hindi pa tayo.
Na-hype na.
Lalakad ka lang.
Ha? Pumili pa. Paano ako tataas? Aray ko.
Madadaan ka na mga ibon doon.
Ay, ma'am, is this still part of the VR? Aray ko. I'm sorry, Parts. Parts.
Hindi, mga ibon doon.
Ma'am, how do I go up?
Papabatak ng ibon, oh.
Parts. Parts.
Sigurado.
Ma'am?
You want to go up, you look up. Yeah, like that.
No,
No, I don't think so. Ma'am, how do I go up? Oh, no, I cannot go up. Oh, just walking.
Just you like to bump your head, move your head up and left and right. That's it.
Oh, I thought it's a drone.
Yeah, like a drone.
Walking drone?
Oh, I can pass through the...
Yeah, you can pass it.
Welcome back to Philippines, guys. Habibi trip pa din.
Pang ikaw lang yata na iwan sa Riyadh.
Hindi nakaganto kami. Ganda ng fit nyo, ha? Bagay sa akin. Ang ganto. Mukhang nga daw akong taga doon talaga eh. Balita ko ano pangalan mo daw doon. Burong Khalifa. Burong Khalifa, hindi. Habibors. Habibors.